Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte gaming box driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and after that this is search icon, and then enter the model number of a gaming box AORUS RTX 2070 gaming box, and then click on the product and same click on the gaming box, and then click on support, and select your operating system Windows 7, 10, 11. So both operating system installations process same, NVIDIA driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. So you can see it is start downloading, and if it's completed, and just click to three dot and then click on download. So you can see it is start downloading, and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading, okay, then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that, click on yes, and then click on install. After that, this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time, and it is low after install and then close it.